Hello! In this video, you will learn how to add a payment method to your Odoo website. And first, you have to go to your configuration and then click Apps. And then, if you don't see the payment acquirers options in your Odoo, this is likely because you are using the free trial or a version with limited access. However, I'll still walk you through the general steps so you will know what to do when it is available. And of course, first go to the website and the configuration, then apps which we are already in, and then here you will find the payment acquirers, and then um, once you're in the payment acquirers, you will find options like PayPal, Stripe, or any manual payments. And then you can click on the one that you want to activate, and then you can enter the required details like API keys or credentials, and then you can click Save. Make sure the method is set to enabled so it appears during the checkout. Please like and subscribe if this helped.